The navigation bar, or nav bar as it's known, I can find it in here at the right hand of my screen. But if you don't have this one turned on, or you can't find it, just type in nav bar and hit enter. It will give an option on and off. As you can see, I have it on. If you turn it off, it will be gone. If I right click in here and repeat nav bar, turn it on, I can have it back. Make sure you have this file downloaded by now from the description box. Now we'll explore some features within the navigation bar. If I come in here and click, it will give me this little tool with the cursor. It goes around with it. I can pan, I can zoom and orbit and rewind. If I click and hold, I get the pan tool. I can move it in here like that. If I release, it will cancel it. I can zoom, just the same process. You can click and hold, hover over your mouse up and down so you can zoom in and out. If I cancel, or if I lift my finger, it will cancel the command. I can orbit. This is let's say it's more for the two-dimensional, not for two-dimensional, but more than three-dimensional objects. So if I click and hold, as you can see, it's a flat drawing, so it's a two-dimensional for sure. And I can rewind, hover over, also continuously click on it. You can hover over all the views that you had previously. If I lift up my finger, it will cancel the command. I don't usually have this turned on. It's very annoying sometimes, so I'll hit to close the wheel. If I choose this pan in here, I get this pan icon. I can move it and whatever, and hit escape button to cancel. And in here, if I click on this arrow or this small triangle, I get all these zoom options. I can zoom window. If I click, drag and click, it will zoom to that window that I specified. If I, let's say, zoom object, select this object and enter, it will zoom to that object. If I come in here, zoom to its extent, it will zoom to the whole drawing or plan, to the drawing area. Down in here, this is, we explained it, it's more for the three-dimensional objects. And this one in here, it's something very useful, but I don't usually use it. It records your movements and all the commands that you did. If I click in here and lift it up, it will show the options that this show motion gave or is available. Now I didn't activate any command by it, but if you're adventurous and you want to know how it works, you can definitely try. But I will close it right now and bring this one back by dragging it.